Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. Guys, we have a grocery haul. I grabbed a lot of sales, but guys, I'm not gonna tell you how much I spent. You're gonna figure it out. I'm gonna tell you how much I spent at the end of the video. All right, let's start with this bag because I gotta get my husband's icy to the freezer. Let me untie all the bags because I tie them and they are really hard to open. Okay, guys, here we go. So I caught a good sale. These the last two they had left. I paid $2.75 for this one and $2.47 for this one. It's corned beef. The expiration date is next month, so they're gonna go on my deep freezer. Oh yes, $2 when corned beef costs like $14 for a little piece like this. So I got that. Um, I got Dunkin' Donuts creamer, $6.49. I have sugar-free hazelnut for myself for $3.99. Tartar sauce, $1.89. And the imperial butter, I got this one this time because the crunchy crock, the same ounces, 45 ounces, basically 2 pounds. It went up almost to $10, and I'm not doing that. I love my crunchy crock, but also I like this one as well. So I got that one. That's to eat with my toast, bagels. I also bought a bag of fries for $2.99, yes. So, and of course my husband's icy, they went up to $3.49. I think I mentioned that the last time. So I got him 3 boxes. So I'm telling you, the ISIS has gotten ridiculous. So we're gonna put it in this freezer for now because in this freezer I put now the stuff that I'm going to use for the week, and everything now goes into the freezer. But guys, wait until you see the meat that I got on sale. After the holiday that just passed, that's when you go out and you go to the supermarket and you go shopping. I've been needing to go shopping for the past 2 weeks, but I've been holding to go after the holiday because that's when you grab a lot of meat on sale because the supermarkets order a lot, expecting that people are going to be grilling and this and that. But this time where I live, it was pouring, raining, thundering for the holiday weekend. So they stood with a lot of meat, so they put the prices down. Actually, the expiration date, the expirations are good. They are good into next month. So we got lucky. Anyways, this bag is already empty. Here is the other bag. I bought some cherries, $2.99 a pound. All these had the cherries at $5.99 a pound. So I got it at my local supermarket. I got a salchichon, Goya salami. So this one was 5. Let me bring you guys close a little bit. Diamond is right here trying to get to the fruits, but that's how she is. I bought the wheat bread. It was on sale for 99 cents. So was the hot dog bun. So I bought a stack of hot dog buns. The bagels, cinnamon raisin bagels, one of our favorite. That's the one that is a repeat buy for $2.49. I needed some croutons for the salad, so I purchased that for $1.50, $1.49, something like that. And again, I bought the 60 count of eggs for $7.49. So that's a good buy. Even though I still have 1 carton left, I'm going to rotate it. Ooh, my bracelet. Yeah. Oh, one of my charms came off. Oh, thank goodness it came off here at home. So I will not lose it because these little charm guys are expensive. I'm telling you. Anyways, I will take care of that later. So now let's go. I also over here in this corner. I also bought the cream for I think it was $8.99, and I bought oil for $8.99. No, the powdered cream was $6.99 and $8.99 for the oil. Okay, bananas, they were 49 cents a pound. I didn't pay attention how many pounds is in there. The onions, they were $3.49. They have the corn on the cob, 8 for $2, but I only purchased 3. So, and then I 2 pairs, $1.99 a pound. The green peppers, $3.49 a pound. Plantains, yellow or sweet, 57 cents. So I got 2 yellow and I got 2 greens. So, yeah. And then nopal, apples, $1.99 a pound, and a bag of potatoes for $2.99. So yeah, guys. So let me put some of this stuff away, and we're going to continue. All right, guys. Let's continue. So I got 2 barbecue sauce. I purchased the original one, and I purchased the hickory and brown sugar barbecue sauce. So both brand, both basket that tastes just like the brand, if you know what I mean. So yeah, of course I bought a recaito, a cooking paste. I bought the large one this time because I've been cooking a lot lately and I'm using more. I also needed vinegar, so I bought Mike's vinegar. This is a good vinegar, guys. It's very cheap, $1.29 for this bottle, and this will last me about a year or sometimes more. Okay. It depends, because if I use it to clean, which sometimes I do use it to clean, but I clean a lot of my meats with it, so it will not last. Like right now, I'm going to be processing meat, which I gotta show you. It's crazy, the prices, I'm telling you. So the beans, $1.37 a can. So I make beans twice from 1 can, so that's fine. So I bought a green peachy peas, the same thing. I do 2 times out of 1 can, so it's fine. So I got 2 pink beans. Oh, and by the way, I have one of the green peach and peas already in the copper. So I bought chickpeas, garbanzo bean. Guys, if you know these garbanzo beans, they are very delicious for a snack. What you do is, if you like a crunchy snack, what you do is you take them out of here, you rinse them out, you put them in a cooking sheet, in a baking sheet, you know, and put some salt, pepper, whatever spice you like, and roast them and let them cool down, and then you could put them in a bowl and crunch on them, or you could throw them in the salad. I also throw them in my salad like this, but I also like the crunch. But I bought this one because I want to make the crunchy snack, so I could sit down and munch on them. And guys, these are very good source of protein. And also, I made my own sabra, you know, like right here. I make my own, so, but I'm not going to use it for that. I'm going to be using for crunchies. I bought a mayonnaise. I need a mayonnaise. And guys, this one says real mayonnaise, and it tastes just like the brand with the H. I don't want to say the brand, but it tastes just like it. So I bought this one. Of course, you guys know I have to have olives. I also like munching on this, and my dogs like this as well. So I need a vanilla flavor, so I bought this one, 99 cents. And also I bought bowl basket golden vegetable mix. These are good. It's like, you know, when you buy pickles, so these are just like pickled vegetables. I like this for my salad, and sometimes I also like to munch on them. So that's that. Guys, now we're going to go to the meat. And this is where the prices, I'm telling you. And some other things that I also have here. Oh my God. Oh, this is really heavy. Woof. Of course, you need freezer bags for when you process your meat. So I bought 2 of them. They cost me cheaper in the supermarket than freaking a Dollar Tree. Ain't that crazy? All right, of course, I bought maple sausages for breakfast. Here we go again. The sausage, the turkey sausage, they had them on clearance for $3.49. The expiration day is into next month. So they only have one, so I only grabbed one. I bought the bowl basket single pasteurized prepared cheese. Guys, a lot of people buy, like, I'm gonna say, I don't care, like the Bordens, the American. There are some things that come like, guys, if it doesn't say cheese on it, it's not cheese. It tastes like cheese, but it's not cheese. So this one right there, you see? Cheese. Make sure that you see the word cheese. If you don't see the word cheese, you are not eating cheese. Jimmy Dean's bacon on sale for $3.49 each, so I purchased 2 because I've been craving bacon and I have not bacon for like 3 weeks now. Of course, I needed cream cheese, so I bought the double pack for $2.19. It was on sale. The single pack, the one cream cheese was $1.79, so they had the double pack for $2.19. So think about that one. So I should have bought more, you know. All right, guys, here we go. The big pack of ice, it was $8.75 and it went down to $5.95. And you get 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 8. So I'm going to take them out of here and process them now. So I'm going to put them in the sink. The drumsticks, they were $9.57, $4.68. Price went down because the holiday weekend, like I said. So the expiration date is next on the 1st. So I'm going to season some of them spices and some of them not, and put them in the freezer. The same thing with the pork chops. This one were 30% off. This one was original $15.94 and it went down to $11.09. Manager special. So there we go. This one was $7.83 and it went down to $6.22. Okay. And then I needed some ham for my husband's sandwiches, so I purchased that. That was $6.99. And they have a pack of ribs for $18, right? Already cut and packing, you know, the foam trays, for $18. So why I want to pay $18 when I could get 2 beef slabs right in here for $16.21? And cut it myself, season it my way, and put them in my freezer, and they are ready to go anytime that I want ribs. So, guys, that is my grocery haul. So, did you guys figure it out how much I pay? I'm going to tell you exactly. Let me go get my receipt. I pay $199.25. It would have been about $300 if I would not cut the sales. But yeah, guys, all the stuff. Let me cover my. Okay, does it show? I want to make sure my credit card doesn't show. Okay, I just covering my credit card number right there, and there is my total. Okay, So guys, be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile overall. Stay safe, stay healthy. And remember guys, God loves you and I do too. And we'll be into the next one. Bye-bye.